Which way is, where's the tornado at?
I'm looking right now.
Holy shit, Dad.
Oh, that is unbelievable. Holy shit.
I'm looking for it, but I don't see it. I'm looking for it. Where is it on the radar? Is that hail? That might have been hail. Where is this thing? Alright, I'm closing my windows now. It's getting real windy.
Okay.
Holy shit, Dad.
If it hits, you gotta go to
The
your
sky-
stairwells, your base shots in your stairwells.
Yeah, the sky is the sky is green. The sky is green right now.
Yeah, that's because you're in a tornado, yeah.
Holy shit, where is this thing? I really don't see it at all.
Well, it's because it's night and you're covered. It could be.
Well,
I'm bringing in the radar real slowly. The hook is just north. Shit. If I. Come on.
here comes the rain. It's just about to hit us. Yeah. No, it's pouring out. It's hailing and pouring out. Here it comes. Here comes the rain. Okay, I'm turning off the video. You can't see. My visibility is to 0. Where is this thing? Where's the tornado?